friends, welcome to Ansel. So today it is the 51st episode in the biology series. So today we are going to discuss about two more exocrine glands. So these two are also in the endocrine system, but still these are the glands. Yes. So today we are going to discuss about two. So these glands are the liver as well as the pancreas. So let's start with the liver. So the liver is an accessory digestive organ that produces bile, an alkaline fluid containing cholesterol and bile acids, which helps the breakdown of fat. Yes. So the main use of the liver is to just produce bile, but still it has hundreds of more different uses. Yes. So the liver is also, like, if we don't have the liver, we can't live anymore. As well as this, the liver is the largest organ that is inside of our body, while the without any conditions, the largest organ in our human body is the skin. But if it is inside our body, then it is the liver. Yes. So yeah. So it is a pretty large thing. So it is the size of a football. Yes, it is pretty big. Yes. So next, the gallbladder, which is a small pouch that sits just under the liver, stores bile that is produced by the liver, which is later moved to the small intestine to complete digestion. So yeah. So in this diagram, here is the liver. So next, here is the gallbladder. So the bile that is produced in this liver is next sent into the gallbladder to be stored. So next, after when the bile is needed, when the body needs this bile which is stored inside the gallbladder releases into the part of the small intestine called the duodenum. Yes. So then the digestion occurs slowly and then that happens here. Okay. So next, the liver is a highly specialized tissue consisting mostly of hepatocyte cells. Yes. So it regulates a wide variety of high volume biochemical reactions. Yes, it does a lot of reactions inside it as well as many jobs. Yes. So I think it is a workaholic. Yes. So next, the functions of the this liver. So first it has the bile producing function. So next is the breakdown of insulin and other hormones. So in the first place, insulin is produced by the pancreas. Yes. So next, it acts as a blood reservoir. So in any time, that means even if you're sleeping or eating something, 13% of all of your blood inside your body will be inside the liver only to support all of those hepatocyte cells which were working hard to produce the bile. Yes. So they are very hard working. Yes. So next, the lymph production. So in the future episode, we are going to talk about the lymph system. So in that episode, a lymph is a special fluid that is very important for the immune system as well as the lymph system. So that's why, so here this liver also produces this lymph a bit. Yes. So next, it does metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. Next, it stores multiple substances including vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin K, vitamin E, iron, copper, zinc, cobalt, etc. So we can say it as the reservoir of the human body. Yes. So yeah. Next, it does a process called hemopoiesis. That means it also forms blood cells, just like what the bone marrow does. Yes. So next, it does the purification of the blood as well as the kidney also does that. So yeah, it also is like a co-worker of the kidney. Yes. So next, it produces albumin and then it has almost 500 other different functions which it can do. Yes. So we just talked about 9 up to now, but still there are 500 more functions that this one organ can do. Most of them are just smaller functions, but still it counts as a function it can do. Yes. So next are the pancreas. So this is the pancreas. So it looks like a leaf in this drawing, but no problem, we can still recognize. So the pancreas plays a big role in digestion. Yes. So it creates most of the digestive fluid. Yes. So it is located inside of the abdomen, just behind the stomach. Yes. So if the stomach is in this region here, so the liver is next to it while this pancreas is behind it. Yes. So that's the main difference in the location. So next, during digestion, it makes pancreatic juices which have lots of enzymes in it. So these juices will next dissolve the food and make it into smaller and smaller pieces, and also will absorb some things like fat or it does that. So next, these enzymes break down sugars, fats and starches. So the enzymes include lipids, which break down fat in the diet. Next, proteins, which break down proteins. They both are rhyming, proteins and proteins. Yes. So next, amylase. So it breaks down starches into sugar. So amylase is also inside the saliva, which is produced in our mouth. Yes. And next, because it is also an endocrine organ, so it also produces hormone. So some of the pancreatic hormones include insulin, glucagon, gastrin and amylin. So you may have heard insulin because like it controls the blood sugar levels. Yes, so that means the pancreas helps both the digestive system as well as the circulatory system a bit too. Yes, so yeah, these liver and pancreas are multitaskers. Yes, so wow, they are great at their work. Yes. So again, they also play a large role in the digestion process that happens inside our body from our mouth to the end of the gastrointestinal tract. Yes. So this is for today about the exocrine system, about the liver and the pancreas. Bye.